Hi guys, it's me, Domingo. Hi, back from all this school time and everything. Sorry, I've been gone for quite a long time. Again, of course, I told you guys in an earlier time that it was from because of school, but today I am off. But tomorrow I also have school, just because school got canceled today because of problems. Anyway, as you can see here, I have command blocks. And yes, today is going to be a tutorial on them and everything like that. And then later I'll be doing a Hunger Games kind of stuff, playing that because I bought Minecraft finally. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Anyway, let's get that back up. Okay. So what I'm going to show you today is how to work all this, how to keep it sunny outside for forever if you don't know that, how to teleport to different rooms in and out, how to increase your speed for however long you need to change weather, and to set spawns. Alright, so first, actually, and also super jump. First, we're going to go for speed. So, what I got here, let me hurry and just clear out my inventory a little bit. Okay, so what I have here is run 50. And what I set that for was, run 50% faster. And what you do for that is you do slash effect at p 1. That's one. That's its item code for 2 seconds. Plus 50 speed. Okay. So let's hurry and write that out real fast, just in case you didn't get it. So we go down here and we go slash effect. Okay. At p, which that stands for target nearest player. And then you go 1 space, however long time. So let's say I'm going to put it for 10 seconds this time, and I'll put it for plus 60% speed. Done. And so now it has that. And in order to activate it, you can either have this and set that down, or in front of it, you can have a pressure plate. Whoops. No. Pressure plate. And as long as there's something, if it's going through something, or if you got something right next to it, so like, let's say I have this, and I get me some redstone, and I go like that, and I set up a block like that, it'll still activate it, see? And let's wait for that to wear off, so, because I gotta show you guys this in just a second. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can just do it like that, and there's the code. You do effect at p 1 space, however long you want it for, and how much speed you want. Okay, so we'll hurry and watch the effect on the 50 plus speed, because I have 100 plus, and that one's just ridiculous. We're not going to show you that one. Well, maybe we'll. Anyway, see, just run, and that was for 2 seconds, and you run super much, like really fast. Oh, this, I was trying to do something else, but it's, a failed experiment and everything. But run 100. How long is this on for? Oh, that's for 23 seconds. Okay, I'll do it later. I'll do it when I'm done with all this. Anyway, we come over here, and this contraption right here is what is keeping the sun in the position it's at right now. So, like, if, let's say you're trying to build, like, a server or something, and you want it to stay daytime, so, it's always bright outside. So what you do for this one is, as you can see here, there dash time set 1100 to keep it at this time of day. So like it's just like going like this, dash time set, wait, space, 1 second. Sorry guys, I forgot the command. Yeah, space time dash time set 1100, and it just goes to that time of day. I'll teach you why it's not spamming my thing right now, because in just a second. But anyway, how you set this up, let me hurry and get out a repeater and a redstone torch. Okay, as we come over here, we're going to come over here real fast. Okay, you're going to go like this, one going facing this way. You always want them to be 1 space apart. Wait, maybe, I haven't tried this before, so let me hurry and see. Like that, okay, and you go like this, and then you put down a torch, take away the torch, and go like that, and they'll keep repeating like that, okay? And how I got this one like this was, you gotta have that, but you don't exactly have to have it, because then you can go like this, and you just hook it up with that, and you do your dash time set, and it'll keep repeating. So like, but it's got to be like right up here, so like that, and then it'll keep repeating, and it keeps the server time at 1100, which is like about afternoon, mid-morning, about afternoon, so you know, like 11 o'clock in Minecraft time. Okay? I know I'm going a bit fast here, guys, sorry. But, okay, we'll come over to, actually, we'll do the TP in just a second. That's run 80%, so like, well, no, this isn't 80%, what is this? Oh, this is long, this is run for 800 seconds with 10%, so like, I'm running, you know, a bit faster, which will get me places. Okay, so in order to keep it sunny, which is, you know, it's completely sunny, no cloudy skies for your server, so it doesn't ever rain, is you come into here, and you go to weather clear, dash, weather clear, and you don't want to put it on any person or else it won't work. So, go to dash, weather, clear, you know, space, clear, space, and then the highest you can go is 1 million, okay? And that's what I have it on. So yeah, 1 million is the highest you can go, and it puts it there for 1 million seconds. But be careful, because each time you come back into your server, you have to restart it, and then that way it'll keep it on, okay? Spawn set right here. So in order, so like if, let's say you're like playing like an adventure map or like a parkour map or something, and you know, if you've seen like Sky or somebody play that, then what you do is you come over to spawn set, and you, well, don't come for spawn set. Anyway, you set down one of these, okay? And we're gonna set down a new one, so like we'll place it all the way right here. Okay, so we're like right here. Okay, we'll set that down. We'll set that down and set that down. Or, you know, it can be anywhere, so I'll put it behind the block so, you know, it's kind of less likely to see it like that. Okay, and then you go dash set spawn, okay, and then you go at p, okay, and let's hurry and make sure I did it right, because, you know, sometimes people make mistakes. Oh, that's my super jump. Sorry, I'll show that to you later. Yep, okay, and then if I go over here, click the button, then I go, sorry, fly up. Okay. Right here should be good. Dash game mode 0. Not negative 0. 0. And we drop. Die. And I guess that one didn't work for some reason. Oh, spawn point. Sorry. Anyway, spawn point. Okay, so we'll hurry and go through that again. So right here. That. Dash. Spawn point at P. Okay? And then go like that. And we'll hurry and just jump into this hole that I made earlier. It was not my fault, I promise. Okay? It was the Ender Dragon's fault. There, see? And then I spawn right. You know what? Okay, spawn point. What did I put? Let's say hi. Oh, because I was in. Alright. Another thing, okay? Dash game mode 1. You have to be in creative mode. But I think you guys understand the concept. Maybe I've made it a bit confusing, but again, slash spawn point at P. Okay? Right here, it says Psy, because what you can do with these is, so like if you're making an adventure map, so let's say like, I'll get rid of that, and I set that down. So like maybe you're walking through a cave or something, and like the mysterious voice from your head or something says hi. You walk past, and it says hi. Okay? But let's say, so like, let me hurry and get out a button and some sandstone again. Okay, whoops. Okay, so what you do is you put that down and have a button. So what I have it set for is a maximum range of 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. See, and I can't do it at 3 because it's not reading me, because that's the 1 block, 2, 3. Okay? And to set the radius, you say hi at P, and then you do these little brackets, the ones like that, okay? And then you do R equals, and then random number. So yeah, say okay. Anyway, I showed you weather. I showed you run. Okay, so next we're going to do TP. At the end, I'll show you how to spawn all these, because then it'll be easier. I'll also put it in the link, well, not the link, the description and everything. So, yeah. Here's the TP. So, like, let's say, you know, in your adventure map, or you need to hurry and get to some other place in your map quickly, you'll walk over it, or press the button, and see, I'm in this room, and then there's my TP over there. So, what I do is, you know, if you're, like, maybe trying to get trapped, if you trap someone in your adventure map and they have to parkour out of there, then, you know, it teleports to them, that spot. But right now, I'm just trying to TP back to a random coordinate, and yeah. And then, let's see, here, we'll spawn. So this, you can, in this update, I wasn't sure if it was in the last one, but you can spawn stuff, so, like that, and boop, spawned a giant. Hello there, giant. And then you can do the same thing, second dash. Here, yeah, you can do the same thing with other stuff, but yeah. And then you can set down everything with, like, run and stuff like that. But, okay. So, super jump. Oh yeah, super jump. Okay. So to set that effect, and you're going to put 8, and then your time, and how long, and how much you want it. So this one is 310. So just press that, and we jump super high, you know, times 10 height. So we can jump 10 blocks high. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so see that? Ready? 10 blocks high. Okay. So, now that we've gotten that through, I'm going to show you how to spawn the block, and also how to, you know, oh, and, yeah. So, like, to spawn blocks, though, you go like this, dash, and then give player, you know, your player name, so me, Durango, and then 137 is the number. Boop. Command block. And I can just set down as many of these as I want. Okay. And then, so like, this, how it's not spamming constantly, you know? So, like, it's not like, oh, you know, he blah, 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 you know, like that. How you do that, also how I keep all of my stuff, you go to game rule, dash, game rule, okay, and it pulls up this. Command block output is what I have. So in order to make it so it spams everything, you go command, you have to capitalize, it's capital sensitive, block, output, but wait, never mind, okay, gotta come back here, and also put game rule. That is a very important thing. Like, seriously, if you don't put that, then you can't do anything with all of this. So you go game rule, command block output, and you go to the end, space, false, is how you turn it off, and true is how you turn it on. So watch it, what happens to my chat when I put it on true. It just does that. Okay, and nobody can see anything, and they're constantly, you know, can't see each other's chat or anything. So, you go up, and then you go up, you know, enter in the command, and put false, and it gets rid of that. Okay, and how to keep your stuff, you go to dash, game rule, okay, and you go to keep inventory, so slash game rule, I have it on true right now, rule, keep inventory, and I have it on true. It'll say your game rule has been updated, and I can keep my inventory now. Okay? And then there's other ones like do mob spawning, so mobs don't spawn, and I don't have that on. Mob griefing, which I have on. So like, let's say like a creeper explodes or something near you, and you know how like if they explode, it creates that big hole or whatever like that. You know, it's kind of different. Like they got that stuff and all that. Instead of it doing that, it'll just leave it like that, and you won't know the difference. You'll take damage. So like, it's like if I think it helps with TNT explosions too. So like if a TNT explodes, then nothing happens. So like if you're wanting to do like TNT run or something like that. But yeah, I think that may be about it. Let's see, run. Yeah, that's about it. Here, I'm going to show you one thing before I go. So, let's see, back here. See, and then this teleported me to here, which is my arena that I'm working on right now. It's going to be like a lobby and everything. I'm working on a server. I'm hopefully, if I can get the money, starting a server here soon. So, yeah. And then that gives me a diamond sword. So, like, go like this. Throw that down. Come over here. Bloop. See? Diamond sword. At P. Diamond sword. This will give you 100 jump for 30 seconds. And this will give you 60 run for 30 seconds. So I can just be like, woohoo! And stuff like that. And then this, right here, this one's crazy. 1 second, let me hurry and get down with this jump. This is what some people use. I don't know how to yet to control it to give you the boost jump, you know, like in servers where they're like that, and they launch you forward. I haven't quite learned how to do that. So this one is like a weird combination kind of stuff with that. So like I go like this, and yeah, it just lets you go. But that just increased my speed by a whole buttload. So yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This has been a tutorial on command blocks, and I shall do more of these when I figure out how to do more stuff with them. So with that, I bid thee adieu.